Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. Today I'd like to show you or take a little tour of the 2021 to 2022 new annual catalog. This goes live May 4th until, let's see, 2nd of May 2022. This is just going to be a real fast one. Most of you should have gotten your catalogs already. If you didn't order from me last year, please order from me this year so you'll get it next year. Or you can go online and order a single copy. The number is 159315. So, there are some new things in the new catalog. Take a sip, stamp, ink, and paper. Easy to start, easy to go on. Table of contents. You'll notice it's divided into all occasions: birthday, love, thanks, holidays, artistic expression, and then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 suites in it. You will notice that there's the accessories, host and join, and some indexes. Now this page, you will see new catalog icons. This, an N is for a new item. 2 flowers, reversibles, distinctive stamp. This is for quick and easy projects, perfect for creating multiples, and whether or not it comes in English and French. You'll also see the full spectrum of our colors all the way down. This tells you how we're coordinated in our suites. You can buy the whole suite and everything is coordinated for that. Color coordination, product coordination. You get 2 or 3 things that are coordinated all together. You will notice one of the differences in this year's catalog is we do not have kits in this catalog. We're going with a new program. It starts in a couple of months where you can get your kits online, and that's so we don't run out. So that all the kits that you see online are available and you can get in and start working. The only one you can get is you can subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin one. And if you're interested in the monthly kit, the Paper Pumpkin kit, just let me know and I'll get you all set up. The first suite in the All Occasions set is called Beauty of the Earth. Here's one of the things you will see on here. This is color coordination. Now, they have one in each of the suites, and then they have some throughout the catalog. If you're having a hard time wanting to know what colors go with what, grab your catalog and look here. Especially if you want to use one color and you don't know what is. These all go, these Mary Merlette, Cinnamon Cider, Bumblebee, Old Olive, Mossy Meadow, and Misty Moonlight go with the Designer Series paper in this suite. But see here, all of these are here. And these all go together, so if you need it. You'll also notice that the bundles are listed here. And 10% off the bundles. It will even tell you if you buy both of these separately, it'd be $52. If you buy the bundle, it's $46.75. Here is a good step up. They have these all through the catalog: basic, beginner, casual, and advanced. Here's a distinctive stamp, so you'll see what that is. Reversibles, it tells you, there's little hints. This tells you how to use reversibles and what they are. Here's another set of colors that you could use. This is a Days to Remember. It comes like this. I'm going to teach you how to use it because that's a full stamp set. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is great for making your own calendars. We've always tried to get those little calendars, and yeah, it's just this. Take this and you can make them for all of your calendars that you want to give out. Just some more. You'll see some of our old favorites are in here and some new ones. Here is some more. So many good examples here and so many samples. Pansy Petals is also another one of the suites. If you want to make one of these cards and you don't know what's in it, just ask me and I'd be happy to look it up. We have a whole thing that has recipes for most of the cards and projects in here. Some new ones, some old ones. I just love that. Look at this. They had this, Many Messages was in the January to June catalog, and they added the Many Happenings for the annual catalog. So you can use that die for both of these. So great, you know, buy the Many Messages bundle and then buy the other one too. And you get all of those labels, those great labels. Another suite in the wild. Some Father's Day ones. And see here, Step It Up. That's pretty cool. It shows you how to step it up. How to use some of the items here. Forest scenes. I like this one, Inspired Thoughts. I love the sayings in here. And it has the trees and stuff for the bundle. And here's the kids' places, grandkids, then the new babies for kids, making cards. Oh, look at this one, all for the baby. Then another one's You're a Peach, another suite. And there are little jars in the back. Yep. I'll show you them. Just some more. Playing with Patterns. These are great to color. Again, for kids. Simply Elegant. That's another suite. See, it shows you here how to create tags of any length using that. That's pretty cool. Another suite, Bloom Where You're Planted. I just think those are so cute. Another one, Tidings. We're in the holiday ones, Tidings for Christmas. Some old ones and some new ones. And then we're in the artistic expressions. This is Expressions in Ink Suite. I love this. This is going to be on my May 4th one. I love that bundle. And again, look at all of these. You can just grab, if you want the fresh freesia, oh, you know, Balmy Blue and Daffodil Delight go with that. Hand Penned is another suite. Now we've got the Butterfly Brilliance and the Daisy Garden. Great background stamp. Got the Hydrangea Haven. Sweet Symmetry. Another suite. And then some of our background stamps, and then our Angel Policy and the stamps that go with the Angel Policy. In case you want to sell anything, you can create and sell the project, but you have to have the Stampin' Up logo on it. So just put it on the back, on your cards and stuff like that. Then we're into the accessories, and here are the new in colors, all the color families in the new in colors. Fresh Freesia, Polished Pink, Evening Evergreen, Soft Succulent, and Pale Papaya. Then our organization. Oh, and we've got pastels. I've got to get that too. Our Memories and More. And then here's some of the step it up, how you step it up. There's people were thinking we were getting rid of our embossing powders. We're not. They're just coming in kits. Like the basics have black, clear, white, metallics, copper, gold, silver, heat tools, wink of Stella, shimmering crystal effects. Here's some other inks and inking tools. Then here's our designer series paper. Oh, and again, just beautiful. And they include all the colors that go with it. Expression and ink, that's what I'm getting. And some basics, different specialty. We've got the Ombre specialty paper, which is like a glitter paper. We've got the rainbow glimmer paper, which we had before. We've got the shimmering vellum. Oh, just beautiful. Now here's the packaging. See these little number 3s, mini jam jars? You get 6 clear plastic jam jars, so you can put things in and decorate them. I think that's great. We have the acetate boxes are still here. Ombre gift bags, which I think was right here. Here's the Ombre gift bags. They come in colors, Evening Evergreen, Fresh Freesia, Pale Papaya, Polished Pink, Soft Succulent, and they're food safe, so you could put a cookie in there if you want. We have the scalloped treat boxes. That's a new one. We have the classic treat boxes. That's a new one. Then we get the ribbons. Oh, a lot of new ribbons. Just Jade and Gold, Flirty Flamingo, open weave ribbons with all the new in colors. Evergreen, Evening Evergreen and Smoky Slate, new ones. And then we're into the embellishments. Look at how many embellishments. Love that. Stamparatus, don't forget the Stamparatus and all your stamp accessories, your blocks, your grid paper, your Stampin' Scrub, your mist, your clear box standee, your Simply Chamois, and your piercing. And then we come to the punches. First of all, you'll see all the punches that are bundled. You can buy them either in the bundle or separately. And then we have our separate punches. And then our tools and cutting tools. We've got the paper snips, the cutter, the paper cutter, the Simply Scored. If you haven't got a Simply Scored, don't forget that. And then we've got the stamp cut and emboss machine, the mini one and the regular size one, and all the accessories. Then we got the embossing folders, the 3D and the regulars, and we've got the ones that just go in the minis because the big ones don't go in the minis. So we've got some that are just mini. And then we go to the dies. So we've got all the bundles first. And again, you can order them as a bundle or separately. But remember, you save 10% as a bundle. And then we got the other dies that are separated. Now some of these were in bundles before, like the messages, and now they're separated. And then our adhesives. No adhesives this time. And how to join Stampin' Up. And when you're hosting, these are all the things you can get with your hostess rewards, 3 stamp sets and a set of paper. And then our indexes. We've got the stamp index, the accessory index, and that's about it. Isn't that great? So that's just a tour of our catalog, our 2021-2022 catalog. Hope you enjoy it. Follow me on YouTube, and to order anything from this catalog down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.